Hello everyone, my name is Hanamant. I am first year EC department. My idea is clean water solution. Features of clean water solution. First one is advanced filtration. Incorporates cutting edge filtration technologies for efficient contaminated removal. Second one is renewable energy. Utilize the sustainable energy sources like solar or wind power for eco-friendly operation. Third one is IoT monitoring. Employs Internet of Things sensors for real-time water quality monitoring and system control. Fourth one is nanomaterials. Utilize the nanotechnology for enhanced water purification and pathogen removal. Fifth one is mobile units. Uh, Offers portable water treatment system for disaster relief and remote areas. Sixth one is smart maintenance. Uses artificial intelligence for predictive maintenance, reducing downtime. Seventh is decentralized approach. Promotes the localized community involvement and smaller scale treatment facilities. Eighth one is water source protection. Implement measures to safeguard water sources from pollution. Ninth is green infrastructure. Incorporates natural solution like wetland for sustainable water treatment. Tenth one is cost effective, strives for affordability and scalability to ensure broad access to clean water solution. This is prototype of clean water solution. Thank you.